Well, hello, subscribers, potential subscribers, and even visitors to the site. This is an orientation video to give you an idea of what we do here at TA Today. In particular, I want to show you how to get around the site and how to use it most effectively. And I'm going to do that from a subscriber point of view. In other words, a member of the site, a paying member of the site. And so the way you do it, of course, if you want to get started and you want to become a paying member and get all the services and all the tools at a low price of, it's something that you shouldn't even be able to think about. All you have to do is go to the site, hit the Get Started button, and then you just traverse down here to the TA Today bundle. In other words, $19 a month, $175 a year. It's kind of a no-brainer if you're really interested in growing your retirement, growing your portfolio. These two tools, that and the retirement service, are so cheaply priced that it should be a no-brainer for anyone. That's how to get started. Let's assume you're already started. Of course, the first thing you have to do is log in. The way you do that, of course, is you come over here, you enter in your information, you click the login button. Now once you do that, you're going to get logged into the site, and that's going to open up all of these tools to you so you have access to all of them. If you go to the very bottom when the tools help, this will give you links to every one of these tools and help menus about them, how to use them. I'm not going to try to go through the tools. You can use the videos that are there to help you do that, but essentially that's how you do it. Trade with LA. I have a portfolio. The portfolio is actually communicated to you through the chat room, LA's room, and so I'll get to that in a second. But essentially there's morning comments and archives of those, and there's a help video on how to use the site, the advice that I give you. As far as communications, at this point there's 3 rooms. There's the room that I write to, which contains my portfolio, cradle to grave videos. So there's a chat room here where I actually communicate to you during the day trades that I'm expecting or making. I also take some of those trades and do cradle to grave videos to teach you how to make those trades from a swing trading professional trader point of view. I have a history of all the logs that have been maintained, a recent history. And then there's the portfolios themselves, and if you click on these links, you'll be able to see any trades I made and the overall performance of the portfolio. And then there's a help video on this as well. Also with the subscription as a member, you get the evening broadcast, a weekend broadcast that is exclusive to TA Today members. Here I go over each week a video. They're all archived here so that you can see what I'm thinking for the coming weeks and months. TNT Room is a chat room as well, a trading room. It's moderated by mentored TA Today members. So in other words, I've personally mentored some of these and they have mentored others, and that's how we run a trading chat room. It's day trading mostly, but it's a place for members to share information as well. And then there's another kind of modified neoclassical method room called Measured Moves, which is also a very technically oriented day trading room run by another mentored TA Today member. That's the main things, right? There's orientation and so forth. If you're interested in the retirement services, you can come over there and click on that, and you can read about how that works, and you can go through all the various menus here. And if you become a member, of course, you have access to long-term retirement portfolios. There's 3 of them: a conservative, a balanced portfolio, and an aggressive portfolio. So you can mimic those just as you would something that your broker charges you a 1% fee. These portfolios you can mimic for basically nothing. And that's it. Those are the main things. So I wanted to give you that heads up, a quick interview or a quick review of what's out there and how to use it. The front page here may change a little bit over time, but essentially those services are there and available to you. Become a member, And if you are a member, thanks for the business. I'll serve you as best as I can, as always. Take care.